Welcome to your next lecture. In this lecture, we will be learning about JavaScript data types. JavaScript has 8 data types: string, number, big int, boolean, undefined, null, symbol, and object. The object data type can contain an object, an array, or a date. We will be learning about all these data types in our upcoming lectures. Let's start our journey with JavaScript functions. A JavaScript function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. A JavaScript function is executed when something invokes it. As an example, we have a function and the name of the function is myFunction. It takes two parameters, p1, p2, and in the end it will return the product of these two numbers. Let's discuss JavaScript function syntax. A JavaScript function is defined with the function keyword, followed by a name, followed by parentheses. So this is our function keyword. This is name of the function, followed by two parentheses. Function names can contain letters, digits, underscores, and dollar signs. So this name can be a string, or a digit, or underscore, or dollar sign. The parentheses may include parameter names separated by commas. So here we have three parameters, parameter 1, parameter 2, parameter 3, and we can have a number of parameters. The code to be executed by the function is placed inside curly brackets. So these are the curly brackets, and here we can write our code which needs to be executed. Let's see some practical examples of our function. So let's define a function and let's name it name. And let's see, it don't take any parameters. After that we have to write curly brackets and it will return Udemy. After that we will close our curly brackets and that's it. Now if I will call this function, it will print Udemy. So that's how you define a function with the keyword function. After that you write the name of the function and after that you have parentheses, and in curly brackets you write your code which needs to be executed. Now let's define another function and let's name it print my name, and it takes a parameter of name. After that we can have curly brackets, and what it will do, whatever the name parameter is, it will return that parameter. After that we will close this curly bracket. Now we can call our function print my name, and in parentheses let's say we call this function has a parameter. After this we close the bracket and this function returns this function has a parameter. So whatever I will write as a parameter, it will return the same thing. So that's how you use functions with parameters and without parameters.